Mastery over quantifiers. Turning negatives into positives. Hello there, English language enthusiasts. In this video, we will delve deep into the world of quantifiers, focusing specifically on how to use many, few, some, any, and a lot of in negative sentences. This might seem tricky at first, but no worries. We'll make it crystal clear for you. Let's dive in. Quantifiers are words we use to express quantity or amount. In negative sentences, they often take on a special role to add emphasis or to clarify meaning. Many and few are typically used with countable nouns, while much and little are used with uncountable nouns. Example: I don't have many friends. Or, we didn't see many animals at the zoo. Example: he doesn't have much time. Or, I don't have little patience for this. Some and any are a bit more flexible and can be used with both countable and uncountable nouns. Example: she doesn't have any brothers. Or, we didn't buy any bread. A lot of works with both countable and uncountable nouns but is typically used in positive statements. In negative sentences, we usually prefer many, much, or any. Example: positive: I have a lot of books. Example: negative: I don't have many books. Or, I don't have any books. Choosing the right quantifier can depend on a few factors such as the type of noun, countable or uncountable, the context of the sentence, formal or informal, and whether the sentence is positive or negative. Here are some quick guidelines. Use many and few with countable nouns in more formal or written English. A lot of is often preferred in informal spoken English. Some and any can be used in a variety of contexts, but any is more commonly used in questions and negative sentences. Much and little are typically used with uncountable nouns, especially in more formal or written English. That brings us to the end of our video. Hopefully, you're feeling more comfortable with using many, few, some, any, and a lot of in negative sentences. Remember, it's all about practice. The more you use these quantifiers in your daily conversations or writing, the more natural they will feel. Thank you for joining us, and keep up the great work with your English language learning journey.